a statement concerning high winds for the following counties in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashen-Watauga, and Grayson, Virginia. Wind advisory remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Locations: parts of southeast West Virginia south across the Mountain Empire region of Virginia into the mountains of northwest North Carolina. Hazards: strong wind gusts. Winds southeast 10 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Timing: through mid-afternoon. Impacts: trees may be toppled due to the winds and wet soil conditions. Sporadic power outages could also occur. A wind advisory means sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles an hour, or wind gusts of 46 to 57 miles an hour are expected. Winds this strong will likely cause sporadic power outages and can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Unfastened items such as garbage cans and lawn furniture should be moved indoors. The public is encouraged to report wind damage to the National Weather Service via email at rnk.skywarn@noaa.gov or phone number 1-866-215-4324. For additional weather information, visit us on the web at http://weather.gov/rnk. Reports can also be submitted to our Facebook or Twitter pages. Flash flood watch remains in effect through this afternoon. The flash flood watch continues for portions of northeast Georgia, North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina, including the following areas in northeast Georgia: Elbert, Franklin, Habersham, Hart, Robin, and Stevens. In North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burt Mountains, Cabarrus, Caldwell Mountains, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Eastern McDowell, Eastern Polk, Gaston, Graham, Greater Burke, Greater Caldwell, Greater Rutherford, Haywood, Henderson, Iredell, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell Mountains, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Northern Jackson, Oak Mountains, Rowan, Rutherford Mountains, Southern Jackson, Swain, Transylvania, Union, and Yancey. In upstate South Carolina: Southville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Greater Greenville, Greater Oconee, Greater Pickens, Greenville Mountains, Greenwood, Lawrence, Oconee Mountains, Pickens Mountains, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Through this afternoon, many areas received between 1 to 2 inches of rainfall since Monday evening. Periods of moderate rain showers, with clusters of thunderstorms, will continue through midday. Thunderstorm coverage will increase this afternoon, especially along and east of Interstate 77. An additional 1 to 2 inches is possible by late this afternoon. Enhanced rain rates associated with heavy rain showers is expected to result in flash flooding along small creeks and streams today. Strong to severe thunderstorms may produce torrential rainfall rates this afternoon. The widespread nature of the moderate rain will also cause elevated levels in flow on main stem rivers, especially along the French Broad River. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. The flood watch continues for southeast West Virginia, southwest and south side Virginia, and northwest North Carolina. Through this evening, rainfall totals of 1/2 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts will fall on saturated ground. Flooding of smaller creeks and streams is likely. Larger main stem river flooding may also be expected as the event continues into Wednesday. General inundation of low-lying and flood-prone areas is likely. Urban flooding and poor drainage areas also likely. Localized flash flooding is also possible as thunderstorms take place this afternoon, mainly along and east of the Blue Ridge. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, WNG 588, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.500 MHz from an antenna located on the State Communications Tower on Mount Jefferson in Ashe County, North Carolina.
The current time is 11:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
The National Weather Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, western Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina.
Wow. Tornado watch. Here goes.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 26, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Catawba, Davie, and Iredell. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, western Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 12 miles north of Shelby, or near Bellwood, and moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Hickory, Taylorsville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Longview, Granite Falls, Bethlehem, Eichert, Hildebrand, and Connolly Springs. This storm is capable of blowing down scattered trees and power lines. Brief large hail may also occur. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. If this rotation strengthens, a tornado warning may be issued. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no warning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service, Greenville, Spartanburg, by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, or by posting on our Facebook page, or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSB. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.